13 Best Foods to Keep Your Pancreas Healthy for Longer. The pancreas is a little gland located in the body's abdominal region and is more powerful than you could ever imagine. It produces enzymes every day that are essential for the digestion of the food you consume. Along with this, it generates insulin, which controls the body's blood sugar levels. In short, the pancreas is important. Any damage stops it from functioning, which prevents the body from getting enough nourishment because there are no enzymes left to break down the food. So maintaining the health of this little gland is essential. And one way to do so is by eating foods that are healthy for the pancreas. So let's talk about the 13 best foods to keep your pancreas healthy. Number 1. Lean protein. Lean protein sources, such as chicken, turkey, fish, and tofu, can be especially beneficial for the pancreas because they are low in saturated fat and calories. Eating a diet high in saturated fat and calories increases the risk of pancreatitis, a condition that causes inflammation in the pancreas and could lead to serious complications. On the other hand, consuming a diet rich in lean protein and other healthy nutrients supports the pancreas's health by providing the body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. In addition to providing essential nutrients, lean protein sources also regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for pancreas health as high sugar levels damage the organ. Number 2. Blueberries. Although tiny, blueberries are packed with nutrients, so don't let their small size fool you. They are full of antioxidants and protect the pancreas from oxidative stress and inflammation, which could otherwise lead to a number of pancreatic issues. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. In fact, in one study, researchers found that blueberry consumption was associated with a reduced risk of pancreatic cancer in women. Another study found that blueberry extract could reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in pancreatic cells in the laboratory. Number 3. Sweet potato. If you are looking for foods that are excellent for your pancreas, pick up a bag of organic sweet potatoes at your local market. The high fiber content of sweet potatoes helps to control blood sugar levels. This is beneficial for the pancreas as high blood sugar levels put an extra burden on the organ and increase the risk of pancreatic problems. Additionally, they contain a lot of carotenoids, a specific type of phytochemical that regulates cell growth and lowers the risk of pancreatic cancer. Number 4. Turmeric. When the pancreas inflames from its normal size, there is pain, discomfort, and maybe a serious medical condition. When this happens, turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory properties, makes a great remedy. It not only reduces discomfort and swelling, but it also shrinks the gallstones that are diseases. Pancreatitis is shown to be most often caused by gallstones. These stones block the bile duct and prevent the pancreatic enzymes from reaching the small intestine. As a result, the enzymes remain in the pancreas and harm the organ's tissues. Multiple studies have proven turmeric's effectiveness in reducing the size of gallstones. Number 5. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens are high in a variety of vitamins and minerals essential for maintaining overall health, including the health of your pancreas, like vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. This may be beneficial for the pancreas as the organ is vulnerable to oxidative stress due to its high levels of enzymes and exposure to toxins. Leafy green vegetables also contain vitamin K, which has anti-inflammatory effects and protects against inflammation in the pancreas. Also, leafy greens have the benefit of going with almost everything. You can steam them with garlic and herbs to get the earthy flavor, add them to soups, or serve them with your favorite pasta dish. Number 6. Whole grains. Oatmeal, barley, buckwheat, and brown rice are just a few of the many whole grains available in the market. Whole grains, which are renowned for having a high fiber content, have numerous health benefits, from maintaining a healthy weight and blood sugar levels to bringing down blood pressure and now protecting the pancreas. Eating extra fiber is beneficial because it prevents pancreatitis by reducing the risk of painful gallstones, which I'm pretty sure no one wants. Due to their color, several items may appear to be whole grains when they are not. Choose foods that say whole grain followed by the name of the grain as one of the first ingredients, such as whole grain oats. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 7. Garlic. Adding garlic to your diet significantly benefits the pancreas. It helps lower the sugar level in your blood by increasing insulin secretion. Basically, it protects the pancreatic cells that make insulin and maintains the health of your pancreas. Every day, consume 2 smashed cloves of garlic and add them to your food. Garlic tea is another option you can have every day. However, do not forget to add some parsley. You do not want to roam around with smelly breath. Number 8. Probiotics. Live microorganisms called probiotics have several health benefits, whether taken orally or topically. A recent study indicates an association between pancreatic illnesses and the gut microbiome. Consuming meals high in probiotics reduces the overgrowth of harmful bacteria in your intestine and stops them from spreading to other important organs, such as the pancreas, where they may result in tissue damage and inflammation. One of the most popular food sources of probiotics is yogurt. Choose low-fat options like Greek yogurt. You can also use supplements or other fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, and sauerkraut to get probiotics. Number 9. Avocado. Buttery smooth, creamy, and most likely healthy for your pancreas. Yes, we are talking about the avocado. Why? Due to the presence of plant fats. Studies suggest that consuming more dietary fat from plants as opposed to animals provides protection from pancreatic cancer. In a 7-year follow-up study involving more than 190,000 participants, those who consumed the most saturated fat, especially from sources like red meat and dairy, had the highest chance of developing pancreatic cancer. The good news is that there was no increased risk for those who consumed most of their fats from plant sources. So next time when you are craving something fatty, try a few slices of avocado on your bagel instead of cream cheese. Or make guacamole to serve with baked chips instead of ranch dip. Number 10. Dandelion Tea. The benefits of dandelion tea deserve more recognition, and if you have been looking for a caffeine-free alternative, then this is it. Multiple studies on dandelion tea indicate that dandelion root extract induces cell death in cancerous cells while keeping the non-cancerous cells safe. The same was shown in the case of pancreatic cancer cells. To make dandelion tea, you would need dandelion leaves and roots, which can be found at a health food store or online, and a pot of water. Simply bring the water to a boil, add the dandelion leaves and roots, and let the tea steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can then strain the tea and enjoy it hot or chilled. Number 11. Reishi Mushroom. Chronic inflammation has been linked to many pancreatic disorders, including pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. Reishi mushrooms contain compounds known as triterpenoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and reduce inflammation in the body. Reishi mushrooms also positively affect pancreatic health by improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance has been linked to the development of type 2 diabetes, which could lead to pancreatic damage over time. They contain polysaccharides, which improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of developing diabetes. How can you add this mushroom to your diet? Well, it has a strong, earthy flavor that may not be to everyone's taste, so you can use mushroom powder in smoothies, soups, or other dishes to mask the flavor, or use mushroom extract available in the forms of syrups or drops, which can be added to water, tea, or other beverages of your choice. Number 12. Cruciferous Vegetables. Every list includes cruciferous veggies, and this is because of their great nutritional value. Cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli are all very good for preventing pancreatic tumors. So do not think twice. Bring more of these vegetables home, cook them in whatever way you like, and get plenty of health benefits. According to a study published in the World Journal of Surgical Oncology, a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables was linked to a significantly lower risk of pancreatic cancer. Well, there is no magic here. These vegetables are a wonderful source of the phytochemical glucosinolate, which is known for its ability to prevent pancreatic cancer. Want to eat these vegetables but they taste too dull? Try roasting some broccoli or Brussels sprouts to unlock the flavor and get a crispy texture. You can also add your favorite spices and herbs to make them saucy. Number 13. Ginger. Antioxidants found in ginger are beneficial to the pancreas because they reduce inflammation and promote the enzymes required for healthy digestion. Anyone experiencing pancreatitis symptoms, including pain and nausea, can reduce the severity of their symptoms by drinking brewed ginger tea. In addition, ginger extract has been shown to have anti-cancer effects and can be used as a prevention against pancreatic cancer. Some research also suggests ginger regulates blood sugar levels, which is important for pancreas health, as high blood sugar levels can damage the organ. Wondering how to add ginger to your diet? Well, it is easy. You can grate fresh ginger into stir-fries, sauces, marinades, and soups, or make its tea by boiling sliced ginger in water for a few minutes. So, are you ready to add these delicious foods to your diet and make your pancreas happy? You can maintain the health of the pancreas and lower your chances of cancer, infection, and inflammation by eating foods that are good for the organ. In addition to a nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise is also essential for keeping your pancreas and every other organ healthy. Also, avoid drinking alcohol, as heavy alcohol consumption is linked with cell damage and pancreatitis. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!